you. I love hot chocolate with mint, because we know I love food as medicine, things that work, things that help. And this is the only thing that can help my cramps when I have that one cycle that just sucks. I'm making mint hot cocoa because it's delicious and I love it, but also because it is the best remedy for cramps and other PMS symptoms. You want to make sure that the quality of the ingredients are the best you can find, and you don't want to add sugar. So if you don't find that my home cocoa mix is sweet enough, you'd want to use something like a raw honey to sweeten your cocoa. I like to use raw milk. If you're not using raw milk, do make sure that it's a whole milk, because that's going to have the largest amount of tryptophan, one of those amino acids that makes you sleepy and also makes you happy, so it can help with the moodiness and the depression and PMS symptoms. Another really important ingredient in milk is the calcium, because the calcium helps tone your muscles and helps as a muscle relaxant. It's really important to have calcium with a balance of magnesium. This is probably why you're always craving chocolate in your periods. It is full of magnesium, which helps you make progesterone, which helps kind of balance your hormones during this cycle, and it helps relax the muscle. Super important and super delicious. You want to make sure you get an organic cocoa powder so that you're not getting all the sweeteners and additives and preservatives that can actually raise inflammation and make your cramps worse. And lastly, we want to add a little bit of peppermint oil. But the oil in peppermint is also a muscle relaxant and can help boost your mood by smelling delicious and help by relaxing the cramps. So that's my recipe and a remedy for cramps and PMS symptoms. If you can't do dairy, you would want to make sure that you're using almond milk as an alternative. You want to use almond milk because it's high in calcium and magnesium and not a lot of sugar. If you were to use oat milk, it would be a lot of sugar. And if you use coconut milk, which would be delicious, you're not going to get that balance of calcium and magnesium. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you can check out all my videos. I have a delicious tea for acid reflux and another one for high blood pressure. See you next time.